Much like the chi in Igbo spiritual cosmology, Obod Emana is your personal God, creator, guardian, and guiding spirit, assigned to you at birth to navigate the intricacies of life. It is neither separate from you nor distant from your reality. Rather, it is an integral part of your existence, your spiritual compass, whispering wisdom, orchestrating synchronicities, and illuminating the hidden paths of your destiny. Yet, for many, this divine force remains dormant, unheard, and unacknowledged, leading to a life of confusion, stagnation, and misalignment. What if you could awaken nurse and align with your Oboremana? What if, instead of wandering aimlessly through life, you could walk in divine clarity, power, and alignment and fulfillment? This is the beauty and depth of embracing your personal God, a journey of spiritual awakening, alignment, and divine orchestration.